Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to post your video from CapCut, whether you want to share it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or even the CapCut creator community. By the end of this video, you'll know how to confidently get your finished edits out of CapCut and onto your favorite platform for the world to see. So let's dive right in and walk through the process, step by step. First, let's talk about exporting your video from CapCut. Before you hit any buttons, pause for a second and make sure that all your edits are finalized within your project. Maybe you want to double-check that the captions are accurate, the transitions are smooth, and the music lines up perfectly with your footage. Think of it like proofreading an essay before submitting. It's your last chance to catch any small tweaks that can make a big difference in how your video looks to your audience. Once your edits are complete, it's time to initiate the export. You'll want to tap on the Export button. On most devices, it looks like an upward arrow, and you'll usually find it at the top right corner of CapCut's screen. This is your gateway to transforming your project from an editable sequence into a finished video file. If you've ever sent an email or uploaded a file before, it's a similar feeling. This step is where your creation becomes ready for sharing. Now, don't rush through the export menu. Here's where you can adjust a few important settings that will directly affect both your video's quality and its file size. You'll see options for resolution, like 1080p or even 4K if you're working with high-definition footage. Choosing a higher resolution gives you crisp visuals, but keep in mind it'll also produce a larger file. Next, there's frame rate. 30 frames per second is great for standard videos, but if you're showing fast action or want that ultra-smooth look, try 60 FPS. And finally, pay attention to the quality or bitrate slider. This determines how detailed your video will appear. If you're sharing on social media, 1080p at 30 FPS is usually a safe bet for most posts. If you're not sure what to pick, don't stress. CapCut generally suggests good default options. After setting everything up, hit the final Export or Save button. This is where your video starts rendering, which means CapCut processes all your edits into a single video file. Depending on your device and the length of your video, this part might take a few moments. Don't worry if you see a progress bar inching along, it's totally normal. Once it's finished, your video will be saved either to your phone's camera roll, or if you're on a computer, to the folder you specified earlier. Now that your video file is ready and waiting on your device, the next step is to post it to your chosen platform. If you're using CapCut on mobile, you'll often see quick share options pop up as soon as the export finishes. You might notice direct links to apps like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Tapping one of these is a real time saver. It'll automatically open the app with your video already loaded, so you can focus on adding those finishing touches like captions, hashtags, and choosing your thumbnail before you hit publish. But if you don't see a direct share option, or if you're exporting from a computer, no worries. Just open your preferred app manually, whether that's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or another, and look for the Upload or Post button. Select your newly exported video file and continue through your normal posting process. Add any text, effects, or tags to help the video reach your audience. And that's it. You've just navigated the process from editing in CapCut all the way to posting online. Remember, every video you share is a chance to connect and express yourself, so take pride in your creation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It helps out a lot. Drop a comment if you have any questions about CapCut or posting to social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing!